Hey, how you doing, everybody? This is John. I thought I'd just sound out this quick video. I normally don't do anything with food or cooking, but I thought I'd just send a quick shout out to you. I normally just play with a little bit of food that I'm cooking up. I love Campbell soup. I normally buy the chili dog and mac, and then, of course, the other Campbell's, the chili mac as well. And I don't know if you guys ever noticed this, but when you guys eat this stuff, it's kind of plain. I mean, it tastes great, but it kind of plain. I don't know. For those of you who like a little bit of kick it to it, so I decided that what I did is I ended up getting some really hot sauce from the grocery store, and then what I did is I really put a lot of it into there, and just to give a quick experiment. And you know what? It turns out to be pretty good. Although I wish Campbell's they would make it a little more spicier, for those who do like the big kick, but it is kind of bland. So what I did was I put a can in a bowl, as you can, and then what you do is I put a lot of hot sauce in. I mean, I didn't empty the bottle, but I put a good amount, probably about I would say a teaspoon. Okay, then after you put the teaspoon in. Okay, what I did was I didn't stir it up. Okay, and then I put it in the microwave for about 3 minutes, get really nice and hot. Now, I like my stuff with saltine crackers, but I ate all the saltine crackers. But when you can do it yourself, you can crumble in saltine crackers. Another cool thing I like to put in there is crushed Dorito chips, the nacho cheese, and that's pretty good. And then you put some of the melted cheese in there. Probably do some more videos of that as well. So, hey, there we go. I hope you found this video useful. Next time you buy these can of Campbell's Chunky Chili Dog Mac, you want to assess the flavor. Maybe you want to add a little bit of hot sauce in there just to give it, just a little more spunk to it. All right? It tastes great. I actually had some after I microwaved it, and it actually turned out to be pretty good. Hey, thanks a lot for checking out this quick video. Hope you appreciate it. And I'll see you later. Bye.